Welcome to 1609 Seguin Square, a 4-bedroom brick home with 3 washrooms situated within the sought-after Amberlea neighbourhood of West Pickering. Showcasing graciously sized principal rooms and an abundance of natural lighting throughout the home, the ceramic flooring of the reception hallway is continued through to the kitchen area, and off the foyer space is one of 2 wall cutouts enhancing the open theme flow of the main level. Beautifully combined and finished with engineered hardwood flooring, the formal living and dining rooms are bathed in soft light from a classic light fixture as well as their west and north-facing windows, giving these elegant entertaining spaces a warm and inviting atmosphere. Casual yet equally elegant, the family room features the coziness of carpeting and a gas fireplace, in addition to the warm natural lighting of its south-facing exposure, and the second wall cutout on this level allows for more light from the adjacent breakfast area. The kitchen enjoys a south-facing exposure, beautiful bright light, and an openness to the family room, as well as direct access to the formal dining room. And from its breakfast area is a walkout onto a multi-tiered deck in the fenced-in backyard, a wonderful summertime retreat, complete with an above-ground pool and a hot tub. The kitchen itself is a wonderful and efficient work area, and showcases plenty of counter space with bar seating at the peninsula, abundant cabinetry storage, pendant and valance lighting, a stone-tiled backsplash, stainless steel double sink and appliances, as well as a built-into-the-wall pantry. Off the main hallway is a coat closet, a powder room with a Euro-style vanity, as well as a laundry room with washer and dryer, cabinetry and closet storage, and access to the double-car garage. And this home also features both a stamped concrete driveway and a walkway leading to the covered front entrance, as well as an unfinished lower level with great potential for additional household living space, and which has a bonus room with double-sized closet space and 2 windows that is well suited as a private home office or as an extra bedroom for the home. The upper level is carpeted throughout and features 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and an additional family room. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms are all naturally bright and have double closets, and share the main 5-piece washroom, which features a beautifully tiled floor and a bath shower combo with sliding glass doors, as well as a vanity with abundant toiletry storage and double basins, while the linen closet is conveniently located right outside its door. At the end of the hallway is the Sunken family room, a great space for personal enjoyment or as a secondary entertainment area away from the main level principal rooms. Brightened both naturally and by a contemporary metal chandelier, this room has the potential to be converted into a 5th bedroom. Enjoying a south-facing exposure and overlooking the backyard, the master bedroom showcases a gorgeous chandelier, a walk-in closet, as well as a 5-piece ensuite washroom bathed in bright natural light and featuring ceramic finishes, a corner soaker tub, a vanity with double basins and a makeup area, and a separate shower area with marble accents and a glass door. Within the catchment area of some of Pickering's finest public and Catholic schools, this home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.